Lately, I have been entertaining the concept of handmade journals. I love working with paper, and I love the idea of recycling materials or repurposing materials. It's not exactly a junk journal, although parts of it were made from junk, things that otherwise would have been tossed into the trash. Since I am also a scrapbooker and a card maker, I have lots of papers on hand to choose from, which is not junk. I'm thinking of journals with a purpose. I want to make a garden journal, a sewing journal, and I have other not yet to be revealed ideas for journals. This journal is a mother's journal, a place for a mother to record those special moments that you just don't ever want to forget. I have such a journal for myself where I have written things in it about being a mother, or funny things my kids said, or about special moments or special triumphs in the lives of my children. It is always fun to pick up my journal and read some of those things that I have recorded. In my own record, I can see a transition of my thought process, because as we progress in life, we learn lessons from life. Life teaches us things. I believe that is why we are here, to learn and grow in wisdom and understanding, so that we can be a blessing to others. So, I made this journal as a gift for one of my daughter-in-laws. It's a place for her to record her thoughts, her journey as a mother, as a wife, and to record the growth or challenges of her children. I think it's important to write these things down, to keep those memories, because otherwise we may forget the lessons learned. I decorated the pages with pretty pictures, mostly vintage Victorian, because that's what I love. Some pages I gave them a specific topic or subject, such as love and marriage or children. I added a few poems, Bible verses, or quotes from other mothers to prompt her to record her own thoughts. I left plenty of room for her to write down her thoughts and her memories. There are some pockets and hidden areas to put the more private thoughts. Although this book was designed with my style, a Victorian flair, that may not be her style, but as she adds her thoughts, her words, her experiences, and her memories, this book, over the years, will become a great treasure to her, and perhaps one she would want to pass on to her own daughters one day. The journal book will become a great treasure. I started this book from a cereal box. I covered the exterior of it with wallpaper samples. I had a lot of fun making it with purpose in mind. How it will be used, and someday how it will be treasured in her family. I love giving gifts like this, made with my hands, knowing that over time it will become even more endearing. It doesn't matter to me the number of hours and days I spent making it. I get far more pleasure giving gifts from things that I've created with my own hands. For me, there is just no pleasure going to a store, buying a gift, and sending it to someone. With handmade gifts, we can personalize them for the receiver. Those are the best gifts. When she was thumbing through her new journal on her birthday, my granddaughter, who's only 4, asked if she could use it too. I like that. But that has sparked a new idea for me, a child's activity journal book, perhaps with stickers she can place, or stamped images she can color, or with paper dolls in an envelope, and a collection of clothes in another envelope that she can play with. My head is spinning with new gift ideas. Since I had a box that was the perfect size for this journal to fit, I decorated it with the leftover scraps from making the journal itself, as sort of a keeper box to keep her treasured book safe. I made a card that also coordinated with the journal, so it was a package deal. Everything looked like it was a part of the whole package, right? If I had been the receiver, I would have been delighted to open this personalized package. Anyway, this is a new journey as my crafting interests expand. If this content interests you, please subscribe. I'm now putting out 2 videos each week on Monday mornings and Friday afternoons. My content varies as my interest does, but I can guarantee there will be more journaling videos to come. I am full of ideas with no lack of inspiration. Thanks for watching.